Orisha Oshossi, the Orisa of the hunt, knowledge and abundance. Òsússi, also spelled Ochosi, is the divine hunter, a symbol of precision, focus and resourcefulness. As an Orisa deeply connected to the wilderness and self-reliance, he embodies the virtues of exploration, survival, and spiritual insight. Orisha Oshossi, sometimes called Ade, the hunter, embodies precision, intelligence, and the pursuit of knowledge. He is the master of strategy, always moving with purpose, striking his target with unwavering accuracy. As the Orisha of tracking, he guides seekers on their spiritual paths, helping them find truth, justice, and sustenance. His presence in the 16 Odumeji reflects his role as the provider, the protector, and the unseen force that ensures survival through wisdom and skill. Òxóssi's presence in the Odumeji highlights themes of abundance, the pursuit of knowledge, and the balance between independence and community. In Eji Agba, Òxóssi represents divine intuition and foresight, the ability to see beyond the immediate and aim for what truly matters. He teaches that wisdom is found in observation, patience, and precise action, ensuring that opportunities are seized at the right moment. In Oyeku Meji, he takes on the role of the silent stalker of destiny, moving through the shadows of the unknown. Here, he teaches that the greatest hunters are those who respect the forces of life and death, for one cannot exist without the other. Iwari Meji highlights his role as the seeker of hidden truths, revealing that those who search with sincerity will always find answers, even when they are not what they expected. In Odi Meji, Òxóssi governs secrecy and strategy, showing that silence can be a weapon and that not all knowledge should be shared openly. He teaches that sometimes the best way to win is to wait. Irison Meji reveals his connection to divine justice, ensuring that those who uphold truth will always be protected. Here, he serves as the guardian of those who have been wronged, ensuring that righteousness prevails. Onrin Meji portrays him as the one who moves unseen, shifting fate through unexpected interventions. He teaches that the hunter does not always chase. Sometimes he lets his prey come to him. In Obara Meji, Òxóssi is the provider, ensuring that those who work with skill and intelligence will never go hungry. He teaches that success is not about brute force, but about knowing where to look and when to act. Okonrin Meji presents him as the master of agility, revealing that those who are quick in mind and body will always outmaneuver their enemies. He teaches that adaptability is the key to survival. Ogunda Meji highlights his warrior aspect, showing that while he prefers the hunt over the battlefield, he is a fierce fighter when called upon. He reminds us that the best warriors win their battles before they even begin, through planning and precision. In Osa Meji, he is the messenger of hidden knowledge, revealing that wisdom is scattered like footprints in the forest, waiting for the keen-eyed to follow. He teaches that answers are always present for those who pay attention. Ika Meji emphasizes his role as the healer, using herbs and sacred knowledge to cure ailments. He teaches that nature holds every remedy, and that those who understand its secrets will always have the power to heal. Oturupan Meji portrays him as the master of discipline, revealing that true mastery comes not from talent alone but from practice and dedication. In Otura Meji, he governs destiny's crossroads, teaching that every choice leads to a new path. He reminds us that to choose wisely, one must first know where they truly wish to go. Irate Meji reveals him as the guardian of sacred traditions, ensuring that the old ways are preserved and honored. Oze Meji connects him to ritual offerings and devotion, showing that those who seek his blessings must give as well as receive. Finally, in Ofun Meji, Òxóssi represents the wisdom of patience, teaching that the greatest hunters do not chase, they wait, knowing that what is meant for them will come. He reminds us that in the grand hunt of life, the most important thing is not just to catch the prize but to understand its true value. Across all 16 Odu Meji, Òxóssi teaches that skill, patience, and intelligence are the true weapons of success. His lesson is clear. Those who walk with purpose, observe keenly, and act with precision will always find what they seek. Odu Ogbe Meji, the hunter of new beginnings. In Odu Ogbe Meji, Òxóssi represents the pursuit of new opportunities and the clarity needed to identify them. Myths recount how Òsússi guided a village to fertile hunting grounds after they had exhausted their resources, teaching them to adapt and explore new territories. This Odu emphasizes the importance of focus and strategy when embarking on new endeavors. Odu Oyeku Meji, the tracker of life cycles. In Odu Oyeku Meji, Ochosi embodies the ability to track and navigate life's transitions. Myths describe Ochosi helping a lost traveler find their way by following the subtle signs in nature, symbolizing his role as a guide through uncertainty. This Odu teaches that awareness and observation are critical in navigating life's changes. Odu Iwari Meji, precision in communication. In Odu Iwari Meji, Ochosi emphasizes the power of clarity and precision in communication. Myths tell of Ochosi mediating a conflict between neighboring villages, using his insight to find a solution that satisfied both parties. This Odu highlights the importance of thoughtful dialogue and measured actions in resolving disputes. Odu Odi Meji, protector of the family and community. In Odu Odi Meji, Ochosi collaborates with Yemenja to ensure the safety and abundance of families and communities. Myths recount how Ochosi provided food for a starving village by leading them to untouched hunting grounds, teaching the value of leadership and resourcefulness. This Odu underscores the role of the provider in maintaining harmony and security. Odu Irisan Meji, the seeker of ancestral wisdom. In Odu Irisan Meji, Ochosi connects the querent to ancestral wisdom through his ability to perceive what others overlook. Myths describe Ochosi uncovering forgotten paths in the wilderness that led to ancient shrines, allowing the community to reconnect with their spiritual heritage. This Odu emphasizes the importance of honoring one's lineage and seeking knowledge from the past. Odu Oonran Meji, abundance through strategy. In Odu Oonran Meji, Ochosi's role is to teach the querent how to use strategy and foresight to achieve prosperity. Myths tell of Ochosi advising a king to conserve resources during a time of plenty, ensuring the kingdom's survival during lean times. This Odu highlights the value of planning and conservation in achieving long-term success. Odu Obara Meji, the light in adversity. In Odu Obara Meji, Ochosi serves as a beacon of hope during challenging times. Myths recount how Ochosi hunted a dangerous predator that had been terrorizing a village, restoring their sense of security and peace. This Odu emphasizes the importance of courage and determination in overcoming adversity. Odu Okonran Meji, the guide to self-discovery. In Odu Okonran Meji, Ochosi teaches the querent to explore their inner landscape with the same precision used in the hunt. Myths tell of Ochosi leading a young apprentice through the forest to test their resilience and self-reliance. This Odu encourages individuals to trust their instincts and embrace personal growth through exploration. Odu Ogunda Meji, the hunter as a protector. In Odu Ogunda Meji, Ochosi acts as a protector who uses his skills to defend the vulnerable. Myths describe Ochosi protecting a community from invaders by outmaneuvering them in the wilderness, demonstrating the importance of strategy and foresight. This Odu teaches that true strength lies in preparation and adaptability. Odu Osa Meji, justice through precision. In Odu Osa Meji, Ochosi collaborates with Ayami Asaranga to uphold divine justice. His precise actions ensure that wrongdoers are held accountable while protecting the innocent. Myths recount Ochosi exposing a corrupt official through clever observation and strategy. This Odu underscores the importance of fairness and ethical conduct. Odu Ika Meji, the protector against hidden dangers. In Odu Ika Meji, Ochosi uses his keen perception to protect the querent from unseen threats. Myths tell of Ochosi uncovering a hidden trap meant to harm a traveler, saving their life. This Odu emphasizes vigilance and the value of spiritual and physical awareness in avoiding harm. Odu Oturupan Meji, reconciliation through leadership. In Odu Oturupan Meji, Ochosi fosters reconciliation and unity through his leadership. Myths describe him mediating a dispute between hunters and farmers, ensuring that both groups benefited from the land without conflict. This Odu highlights the importance of compromise and cooperation. Odu Otura Meji, the bringer of new opportunities. In Odu Otura Meji, Ochosi guides the querent to seize new opportunities while remaining grounded. Myths tell of him leading a merchant to a new trade route, bringing prosperity to their community. This Odu encourages boldness tempered with strategic planning. Odu Ayerte Meji, advocate for hard work and integrity. In Odu Ayerte Meji, Ochosi rewards those who dedicate themselves to their craft with diligence and integrity. Myths describe him teaching an apprentice the importance of honing their skills and maintaining honesty in their dealings. This Odu emphasizes that success is achieved through consistent effort and moral conduct. Ochosi in Odu Oze Meji. In Odu Oze Meji, Ochosi teaches the importance of precision and focus in achieving abundance. Myths recount Ochosi leading hunters to untapped resources, ensuring that their efforts were rewarded. This Odu emphasizes the role of strategic thinking and discipline in securing long-term success. Odu Ofun Meji, renewal through exploration. In Odu Ofun Meji, Ochosi embodies the spirit of renewal and discovery. Myths recount him exploring uncharted territories and uncovering resources that revitalized a struggling community. This Odu underscores the transformative power of curiosity and exploration in creating new opportunities.